What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the top 5 best body sprays for girls 2022 on the market for this year. We're going to show you our 5 best picks, and we'll talk about whether or not you should buy them. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. Fernanda Fragrance Body Mist. Fernanda Body Fragrance Mist for women is a perfect item for women who prefer sweet body sprays and sprays over perfumes. Dior Silky Body Mist. This body mist gives a sweet, soft fragrance of pear and jasmine, which enhances the feelings of confidence and uniqueness all day long. Moreover, the Fernanda Fragrance Body Mists are great for personal use, and you can recommend them to your friends and family. Number 4. Bath Body Spray for Women Warm Vanilla Sugar 8.0 ounces. Have you always been a fan of vanilla? If your answer yes, you know this is one of the best nebulae. You can try it. There are many vanilla-scented body veils of mist available, but this Bath & Body Warm Vanilla Sugar has a delicate body fragrance mist that never gets old. Hair and body oil mist. Also, you will be happy that all our fragrances are 100% original, carefully down to the smallest detail by their innovative designers. We guarantee all of our enthusiastic top quality, as we cannot afford to sell knockoffs or restrictions to our valued consumers. Dior Silky Body Mist. This is light enough but sweet enough to make you happy with the fragrance. And yes, the intention is to spray a body spray on the body, but it does not hurt to spray this fragrance in a room or your living environment. I've done it before, and I can tell you I was addicted to the habit. Number 3. Zum Mist Aromatherapy Room and Body Spray. The Zum Body Mist Aromatherapy Room and Body Spray come in different sizes to give off a better aroma of aromatherapy because they are made from natural essential oils. The Zum Mist Aromatherapy Room and Body Spray are personal body sprays for women and room fragrances philosophy Amazing Grace Satin Finish Body Oil. However, there are no chemicals in the fragrances of the Zum Mist Aromatherapy Cream and Body Spray. You have to shake the bottle, and it is ready for versatile spray options. The Zum Body Mist Aromatherapy Room and Body Spray are available from $7.50 to $10.95. It can be an affordable option if you focus on getting the body sprays for women cheap best body mists. Zum Body Mist contains no chemical emulsifiers, so shake it and prepare for a virtuoso versatility. Spray anywhere and everywhere, body spray, aromatherapy shower sauna, hair freshener, linen lover, bathroom buddy, car companion hair body mist for UV rays made from 100% pure essential oils. All natural ingredients. Not tested on animals. Number 2. Victoria's Secret Fragrance Mist, Best Body Spray for Women. Accept our humble advice for those new to this product. Love Spell is not a perfume in the traditional sense. Dior Silky Body Mist. With a wonderfully luscious blend of peach, cherry blossom, and white jasmine, the Victoria's Secret Love Spell is more of an eau de toilette than an eau de parfum, making the love spell mild and refreshing, and in particular, a perfect choice for someone who finds ordinary perfumes too overwhelming to wear daily. On the other hand, the fragrance may not last as long here as an EDP's because the concentration is not as intense best body mists. This makes it the perfect and ideal body wear for office equipment. To add to this, such as naturally conditioning aloe, oat, and grapeseed extracts along with nourishing vitamin Z and C, this spray is a guarantee to be smooth all over your body for enriching moisture in your skin while providing you with a sensual smell philosophy Amazing Grace Satin Finish Body Oil. Number 1. Diluvio Hydra Body Spray. The Diluvio Hydra Body Spray is made from natural botanical essential oils, the perfect combination of creamy vanilla and calm lavender. The Diluvio Hydra Body Spray is free from parabens. Furthermore, various moisturizers and organic aloe vera, vitamins A and C hair and body oil mist. Also, these mists can be a perfect way to start the daily routine. Also, the Diluvio Hydra Body Spray is enriched with vitamin B3, organic willow bark extract, and provitamin B5. Also, these scents are alcohol-free and just as effective as an aromatic spray best body mists. Botanical essential oils hair body mist moisturizers added, enhanced with organic aloe vera, vitamin A, and vitamin C. The hair body mist is rich in antioxidants and vitamins such as vitamin B3, provitamin B5, vitamin E, and organic white willow bark extract. Alcohol-free and dye-free so that it can be used as a deodorant or in your home as an aromatic spray. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys.